I'll be using an overlocker for sewing, but if you don't have one, watch the video linked in the description and choose any convenient way to finish seams without a serger. Make the buttonholes at the marked spots, at the bottom of each leg and on the waistband pieces. Check your sewing machine manual to see how to make buttonholes. Place the front pieces right sides together and sew along the curved crotch seam. Repeat the same for the back pieces. Place the pockets right sides together with the pants pieces, matching the notches. Fold the pocket over to the right side and top stitch along the pocket edge, sewing the seam allowance to the pocket piece. Stitch close to the fold. On both waistband pieces, press the long edge that is closer to the buttonholes inward by 1 centimeter. Place the pants right sides together and sew along the side seams, starting from the pocket and going all the way down. Match the notches carefully. Sew the inner leg seam in one continuous line. Turn the pockets toward the front side of the pants and stitch them along the top edge to secure them in place. Join the two waistband pieces at the short side seams to make a loop. Unfold the pressed edges before sewing. Pin the waistband face to the wrong side of the pants, aligning the unpressed edge with the waistline. Make sure the buttonholes are positioned at the sides. Match the waistband side seams with the pants side seams. Sew all around the waistline. Fold the waistband in half so that the pressed edge covers the stitching line. Hand stitch along the folded edge from the right side to secure it neatly. Take your time to ensure the waistband sits evenly all the way around. Top stitch along the lower edge of the waistband using a longer stitch length, around 3. Take out all temporary hand stitches. Finish the bottom edges with an overlocker or fold the raw edge 0.5 centimeters to the inside and press. Fold the hem again, pin and stitch around. Give the whole garment a final press. Insert the drawstrings at the hem. Cut 2 drawstrings, 126 centimeters, 50 inches, long each. Thread 1 drawstring through the buttonholes at the bottom of each leg. You'll use cord stoppers both at the waistband and at the bottom hems. Depending on the stopper type, you can put them on before or after tying the knot. Tie a knot, tuck it inside the casing so it's hidden, then add the stopper. Cut 2 drawstrings, 210 centimeters, 82 inches, long each. Thread the first drawstring through one side, from one buttonhole to the other on the same side. Repeat from the opposite side with the second drawstring. This creates a double drawstring that tightens from both sides, forming a chain-like closure. Tie small knots at the ends and tuck them inside so they're not visible. Attach the cord stoppers to each end of the waistband drawstrings.